Today we will learn how to ride the train. First, we will learn how to buy a ticket at the ticket booth. Then, we will learn how to go through the turnstile. And finally, we will learn how to wait for the train on the platform. Okay, this is the ticket booth. It's where we buy the ticket. Once you've bought your ticket, you go through the turnstile. After you've gone through the turnstile, you wait for your train on the platform. And here's the train. Let's ride the train. To ride the train, we need what? That's right, money. We can't ride the train without money. So, where can we get money? That's right, at the bank. We get money at the bank. Now, when you go to the bank, you will see a bank clerk. The bank clerk will say, "How may I help you?" And you, the customer, you will say, "Please give me $500. You can try that right now. "Please give me $500. Go ahead and say it. Okay, very good. The next thing you will do after you get your money at the bank is find this. Now, this is the Chinese. Do you know the English? What is the English for this Chinese word? That's right, it's destination. Say it again, destination. Destination. Okay, your destination is where you go on the train. The train starts here in Wanhua, and we have 4 destinations. 4 places that the train goes to. Here are the 4. The first one, in English, is Kaohsiung. The second one, in English, is pronounced Jiayi. The third one, in English, is pronounced Hsinchu. And the fourth one, in English, is pronounced Tainan. So one of these destinations will be yours. You must find your destination. How do you do that? Well, you need to know your directions. This is right. Go ahead and say it. Right. Very good. Now, you must also know the opposite. Can you say opposite? There's the Chinese, if you don't know what it means. What is the opposite of right? Yes, it is left. Say it again, left. Okay, so we have right and its opposite, left. You need to know those directions, right and left. Also, you must know the points of the compass. This is a compass. Say compass. Okay, there are 4 points on the compass. You see N, S, E, W. N is north. Go ahead and say it, north. And the opposite of north is south. Go ahead and say it, south. Good. Then over here we have east. Go ahead and say it, east. Good. And opposite east is west. That's W, west. Go ahead and say it. West. Good. So we have north, south, east, west. Those are the points of the compass. And we have left and right. If you know those directions, you can find your destination. Okay? So we go to the bank, get money. Then we find our destination, and the next step is to buy one of these with the money that you get at the bank. What's that called? That's right, it's a ticket. You need a ticket to ride the train. Okay, so go to the bank, get your money, find your destination so you know where you're going, then buy a ticket. Okay. You will go to the ticket booth. Go ahead and say that, ticket booth. At the ticket booth, you will see a ticket clerk. The ticket clerk, like the bank clerk, will ask you a question. The ticket clerk will say, "How may I help you?" And you, the customer, will say, "Can I get a ticket to blah, 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 please?" Go ahead and try that. "Can I get a ticket to blah, 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 please?" Very good. Except you won't say blah, blah, blah. Instead of blah, blah, blah in the blank, you will put your, can you guess? That's right, your destination. And what were the 4 destinations? Do you remember? What were the 4 destinations? That's right, Kaohsiung, Chiayi, Hsinchu, and Tainan. One of those destinations will be yours. You have to find which one. Kaohsiung, Chiayi, Hsinchu, Tainan. One of those destinations will be yours. Okay, after you have your ticket, you will go to the turnstile. You will wait at the turnstile. At the turnstile, you will see a conductor. Go ahead and say it, conductor. The conductor will take your ticket. You will pass through the turnstile, and then you will pass the platform. Platform is where you wait for the train, but you will pass the platform and sit on the train. You will take your seat on the train. Okay? That's how we do it. We're ready. Let's ride the train. Okay, let's do a quick review. What's this? Left. And what's its opposite? Right. We have left and right. What's this? Bank. And what will we do at the bank? Get money. And remember, you will get $500 at the bank. How about this? What is it called? Do you remember? It is a compass. Say it again. Compass. Good. And we have north and its opposite, south. We have east and its opposite, west. Compass, north, south, east, west. Good. Okay? And how about this? What is it? Turnstile. Turnstile. And at the turnstile, you will see this person. This person wears this hat. And this person is the conductor. Say it again. Conductor. Good. Okay, and we see that she is waiting on the what? Waiting on the platform. Say it again. Platform. Okay, so one more time. We have left and its opposite right. We have the bank where we get money. We have the compass with north, south, east, west. We have the turnstile where we see the conductor who takes our ticket. And wait for the train on the platform. Very good. Welcome to Lao Song Bank. This is where we get money. Okay, so you must wait for your number. What number are you? What number? That's right, you're number 5. Right now, what number are we on? That's right, it's number 1. So wait for number 5, then come to the bank. Number 5. Number 5, it's your turn. Thank you. Okay, so here we are at the bank. You see number 1 says go to the bank. You did that. The bank is where we get money. I am the bank clerk. I ask you, how may I help you? And you, the customer, say this. Please give me $500. Okay, let's try. How may I help you? Please give me $500 is what you say. So then you get your money. Okay, you came to the bank, you got your money. Now it's time for step 2. It says find your destination. Say it again. Destination. Destination. Yes, that is where you are going on the train. Remember, the train starts in Wanhua and it goes to your destination. So what is your destination? That's what we need to find out. To do that, we follow these directions. You can say it says walk 4 steps north, turn right, walk 3 steps, and so on. So, follow me to find your destination. Okay, we're going to start here. Start here. Okay, so it says walk 4 steps north. Walk 4 steps north. Now if we look down here, we see that north is this way. So let's walk 4 steps north. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's done. What is the next step? Can you read the next step? It says, turn right. Turn right. Which way is right? Is it this way or that way? Which one is right? Yes, this way. So we turn right. Next, what does it say? Walk 3 steps. So let's do that. Let's walk 3 steps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Then what's next? Look at the directions. What's next? It says walk 1 step north. Okay, which way is north? That's east. That's south. There's north. So it says walk 1 step north. Okay, we turn to the north and walk 1 step. Then what? What does it say? Turn to the east. Where is east? If this is north, east must be over here. Okay? So it says turn to the east. Let's do that. Turn to the east. Now I'm facing east. Then what? What does it say? Can you read that? Walk 6 steps. Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then what? Walk 3 steps south. Which way is south? This is east. That's north. So south must be this way or that way. This way. 3 steps south. So here we go. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Now here is our last direction. It says turn left. Which way is left? This way or that way? Which one is left? Which one? Left. Turn left. Whoa! What does it say? I think we found our destination. What is it? What is our destination on this train ride? Shinju. We're going to Shinju! Let's go! Okay, so we found your destination, Shinju. We went to the bank. That was first. We found your destination. That was second. Now, step 3 says write down your destination. So we need to write down Shinju. I'll help you do that. How do you spell Shinju? H-S-I-N-C-H-U. Shinju. And we'll go ahead and write it down for number 4 too, so you know what to say when you go to the ticket booth. H-S-I-N-C-H-U. Okay, now you're ready to go to the ticket booth. Go to the ticket booth. And here we are at the ticket booth. Can you say ticket booth? Ticket booth. Come on to the ticket booth and buy your ticket. Buy your ticket. Okay, you've got your money. Show me your money. Do you have your money? Okay, very good. So, I am the ticket clerk, and I say, how may I help you? What do you say? You say, can I get a ticket to Shinju, please? Let's try it. How may I help you? Can I get a ticket to Shinju, please? You say. Okay? And I say, that will be $500. $500. Do you have $500 you can give me? Yes, because you got $500 at the bank. So you give me $500, I give you a train ticket. Look at that. Now you're ready to ride the train. What does the next step say? It says, go to the turnstile. Go to the turnstile. Who's at the turnstile? Do you remember him? That's right. It's the conductor. Okay. Okay, you have your ticket. Now you will come to the... What is this? That's right. Turnstile. Say it again. Turnstile. Okay, you will come to the turnstile, and at the turnstile, of course, is the conductor. It's me, the conductor. Can you say that? Conductor. So you will give your ticket to the conductor at the turnstile, pass through the turnstile, then you will pass the platform, No waiting, because the train's already here. Pass the platform and go sit down on the train. Okay, let's try it. Give your ticket to the conductor. Thank you. I'm your conductor. I say click, click. I give you your ticket back. There's your ticket. Now please pass through the turnstile. Come on through the turnstile and follow me. You will pass the platform. Pass the platform. And no waiting today. The train is here. Come on in and take your seat on the train. Come on in. And have a seat. Okay, here we are riding the train. What can we do when we ride the train? Some people like to sleep. Some people like to eat. We will not do that. We will not sleep. We will not eat. Okay? Instead, I've got a little game for you to play. Now, the train is a mode of transportation. Can you say transportation? Okay, transportation gets you from one place to another. I want you to write down 3 other modes of transportation. How can you get from one place to another? Not train. Give me 3 others, okay? You can pause the video now and write down 3 modes of transportation. Okay, welcome back. Did you write down 3 modes of transportation? 3 modes of transportation besides train. If I were writing down 3, I would say bus, plane, bicycle. Those are okay. Bus, plane, bicycle. Maybe you have some other modes of transportation, but those are the 3 that I would have written down. Good. Next, I want you to write down 3 destinations. Okay, your destination on the train was Hsinchu. Remember, you went from Wanhua to Hsinchu. But where else would you go? If you could go anywhere in the world, doesn't have to be Taiwan, what would your 3 destinations be? Write down 3 destinations. Remember, destination is where you want to go. Write down 3 places you would like to go. 3 destinations. Okay, we're back. So what 3 destinations did you write down? If I were writing down 3 destinations, I would write Tokyo, that's in Japan, Paris, that's in France, and Los Angeles, that's in the United States of America. But you could write down any 3 destinations you want. Okay, very good. Thank you for riding the train. Once you've made your round-trip journey back to Wanhua, you can visit Bopiliao, where you can play games, see exhibits, and learn about history.